Hi guys, welcome back to my channel calling all data enthusiasts. Tired of dusty spreadsheets and slow updates? Get ready to warp into the super cool world of real-time data. Imagine live updates, instant insights, and projects that make a real difference, faster than you can say data hero. Buckle up, because we're diving into 5 awesome quests for beginners that'll level up your skills in minutes. First up, customer churn prediction. Become a customer champion. Remember that sinking feeling when customers suddenly disappear? With real-time data, you can predict who might leave and become a customer superhero. Think like a mind reader, but with numbers. Analyze what they buy online, where they click, and even what they tweet. Then, you can offer special deals and keep them happy before they even think about leaving. Imagine high fives and grateful customers, all thanks to your data magic. But how does it work? Think of it like watching detective shows. You gather clues like purchase history, website visits, and social media activity. Then, with the help of smart algorithms, you can identify patterns and predict who's at risk of leaving. It's like having a crystal ball for your customers. Next, we have fraud detection. Protect your company and everyone's money from sneaky tricksters who try to steal online. Think like a detective solving a mystery, but with bank transactions. Look for weird patterns, like buying things in strange places or spending tons of money suddenly. With real-time alerts and clever algorithms, you can stop fraud before it happens, just like a financial Jedi. Imagine analyzing each transaction like a scene in a movie. Is there something suspicious? Did someone buy a yacht in Antarctica? With your keen eye and real-time data, you can identify suspicious activity and alert the authorities, saving your company and its customers from harm. Talk about being a real hero. Feeling like your team needs a boost? Let's embark on employee performance analysis. Unleash the Team Ninja. Help your colleagues crush their goals with real-time insights. Track things like sales, how fast they work, and how happy customers are. Find areas where they can improve and give them personalized tips to make them shine like ninjas. Think happier employees, a more productive team, and a company that rocks. All thanks to your data magic. Imagine being a coach for your team, but with superpowers. You analyze their performance in real time, identify areas for improvement, and provide personalized feedback. It's like giving them special training exercises to help them level up their skills. With a happier and more skilled team, your company will reach new heights. Feeling out of touch with social media trends? We got you covered with social media engagement analysis. Be a trendsetter? Want to know what's hot on social media? Real-time data shows you what everyone's talking about, how they feel about your brand, and what they like. Use this knowledge to create awesome content, answer questions instantly, and keep your online presence sparkling. Remember, happy followers mean a successful brand. Think of it like being a party planner for the online world. You analyze what people are talking about, see what kind of content they like, and then create something even better. With real-time data, you can keep your audience engaged and excited, making your brand the talk of the town. Last but not least, we have healthcare data analysis. Real-time data is changing healthcare for the better. Imagine analyzing patient information to predict potential problems, see what treatments work best, and even help doctors give the best care possible. By using real-time medical data, you can actually help improve people's lives. Talk about a powerful data quest. This is like being a detective for health with real-time data as your magnifying glass. You analyze patient information, identify potential. There you have it, 5 real-time data projects to get your brain buzzing and your skills soaring. The world needs passionate data explorers like you. Choose a project, grab your data tools, and start making a difference today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more data adventures.